Do you urgently need to reprogram up to 10 ECUs in parallel fast and interactively? Stay tuned. Hello, my name is Pascal Morisieux. I'm a business development manager for diagnostics and flashing tools at Vector. Today, I want to present the vFlash Station user interface that is one of the 2 new vFlash apps of the newly available version 11 of vFlash. With the vFlash Station user interface, the user benefits from the efficiency of parallel flashing of up to 10 channels or ECUs without having to implement an extra C# or C++ automation script. This makes it the perfect solution for rapid mass reprogramming of out-of-date ECUs. vFlash is Vector's OEM independent and very easy to use tool for programming and updating ECUs via diagnostics. vFlash is available in 2 variants. The first variant is called simply vFlash and is used for updating single ECUs over 1 channel. With the second variant, called vFlash Station, you can update up to 10 ECUs in parallel and each over a separate channel. Each variant is available as Desktop Edition and Test Bench Edition. The Desktop Editions focus on the interactive usage, whereas the Test Bench Edition are used only for automation. In the past, the vFlash Station variant came as a pure automation solution for programming only up to 8 channels in parallel. The new version 11 of vFlash Station in its Desktop Edition comes with 2 major extensions to increase the tool's efficiency and usability. These extensions are 2 additional channels and a new intuitive user interface or app that offers flexible configuration options. This GUI enables you to flash up to 10 ECUs simultaneously via separate channels, allowing you to perform high-volume software updates. With the vFlash Station 11 app, you can simply configure each channel separately with your choice of vFlash Pack, vFlash Sealed, or vFlash projects. This sequence of the configuration packages is easily changeable thanks to the arrows on the left side. The final vFlash Station project is saved as a .vFlash Station file. Each configuration package contains the flash specifications, including templates, data, network and security configuration, and optionally custom actions. This can be created with the vFlash variant that comes with vFlash Station. To quickly create a configuration with identical vFlash packages, the Load for Channel button offers a shortcut option that enables you to select a single configuration package for several channels at once. Once configured, flashing of the packages over a channel can be started individually or all at once. If an error occurs during the flashing of a certain package on one channel, the process on the given channel stops. Flashing of subsequent packages of this channel is cancelled while the other channels are not interrupted. Error causes are reported in the information section and optionally in a report if configured so. This was all about the new vFlash Station app. It lets you quickly update up to 10 ECUs without preparation. vFlash Station is already widely used in existing customer applications. For more details, please have a look at the linked case study in the description. The second link gives you an overview of the 4 available variants and editions of vFlash 11. Thank you for watching. In Interested in more videos about smart diagnostics and overall good software? Then subscribe to our Vector Tech tutorial channel and activate the bell. Hope to see you there. Bye!